Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you are all doing today. Today I'm going to draw a very nice drawing. So you can see after I draw, this is a nice shape. It's like a graphical expressions and a scoop of ice cream. First we are going to draw the scoop of ice cream. Then we are going to see the total effect. Alright, as you know, this is a graphical drawing. So we are going to draw the outlines first. Let's begin from the top. Now we are going to draw all the lines which is going to express the scoop of ice cream here, and the color is going to be chocolate color, as you know. Okay, all right. Finally, the last portion is going to be here. We're going to show a big smile in this case, and going to draw the eyes. This is going to be the right eye, and this is going to be the left eye. All right, so you can see the ice cream, it's like the guy is smiling. Okay, if you like, you can make the mouth, this is a little bold. Okay, and the outline of the eye also little bold to put a more emphasis on these segments. All right, and the middle portion we're going to make it dark. All right, now let's put the chocolate color all over the body. So we're going to put the color, as you know, in case of shades we're going to put darker in one side and lighter in other sides. All right, so darker side is here. Video this. All right, okay, the last portion, this is going to be completed. So this is almost done, only few parts left. I'll just put a little darkness or depth in color only to the outlines here, just putting a final strokes. And also for the last one. Okay, so looks like the drawing is going to be very nice. So you can see this is a very easy and beautiful drawing, not so tough. You can do the practice at home. Please browse to the playlist on my channel, and you can have lots of options. I have lots of categories of drawing. You can learn many things from there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel as you like it, and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.